We feel very much at home here as we share a common approach. In China, people think and act on the long term. It's the perfect place for future mobility. That's what the BMW Group stands for. China is clearly leading in e-mobility. That's why I brought this world premiere to Beijing. The iX3 will be the first all-electric BMW core model, and it will go into production in 2020. It will be produced in China, our strategic game changer. iNext combines all important technologies. Emotional design, that makes our company and all our brands future-proof.